Alright, so today we're going to be testing out this Connoisseurs Ultra Soft Jewelry Polishing Cloth. What we're going to test the cloth on is this guy. So this is an older piece that I have. It's sterling silver, decent weight, but whatever, that doesn't really matter. But, you know, it does have some tarnishing and it is dull. Anyway, the cloth comes in a package like this, pretty simple. The back is open. Yeah, it just tells you rub one side to clean and one side to polish, because cleaning is important, but if you don't polish an item or put some kind of outer coating on it, it's going to tarnish pretty quickly. So basically this is the polishing side on this cloth. Like, it comes out of the package and they're connected. As you can see, there's some tarnish on there from a ring that I cleaned, but anyway, it comes like this. And excuse my snack earlier. So it comes like this, where it has this side, you know, it's attached, so you won't lose them or they won't be separated, but this side cleans and this side polishes, hence the term polishing cloth on the front. So we're going to flip it to the clean side. We're going to just rub it, you know, give it a rub. And see what happens. Now, I'm a guy, you know, I'm not really big on jewelry. I just, you know, have a couple pieces that I've randomly gotten. And so I would say you want to make sure your hands are clean. My hands aren't stupid clean or super clean, but they're clean enough. But anyway, as you can see, it did quite a good job on this. And the way we can tell that is from looking at this top part, which I didn't really get, and the actual piece. So it looks pretty shiny, so we're going to hit this top part.
Just because we want everything looking nice and shiny. Sorry about the video, I cannot find my tripod for this phone, and I don't feel like whipping out my camera, so I'm not going to do that anyway. So that looks good, that looks shiny.
That looks great. Even the bail is shiny now, so... And I would suggest, if you have a ring, you also want to, you know, get the inside too. But that's just me. And anyway, we flip this over. This side is pink. You can't really tell on camera. And this side is white, or an off-white color. So they're not easily confusable. And then again, obviously you have the polishing cloth side listed on that part, on this part of the cloth. So... pretty simple, straightforward. The cloth you don't feel any residue on your hands after using either side, so that's cool. Here is the after right here. You can clearly see it's a lot shinier, and this is not, if you know jewelry or you've had jewelry, you understand. Like, I've tried baking soda, I've tried the hot water thing, I've tried the mixing it with baking soda and vinegar thing, and it kind of helped on this ring, but this ring was, you know, it was getting pretty yellow and it didn't really do much. I mean, it didn't even take half the tarnish off. Maybe it got 10 or 20% better. So if you have jewelry and you've spent money on jewelry, you've already spent that money, why not get a cleaner? You know, $10, $15, you can clean multiple items. You know, it's for something that's going to last you a lifetime and that you wear because it looks very nice. It is a precious, pretty metal, whether that be gold, silver, or otherwise. You want to keep it clean and looking nice. So, my opinion on this, I would give it an A+ for what I've seen now. You know, obviously in time, time will tell if it holds up, but... you know, just for a little silver piece, you know, $5, $6, you can get it clean. And as you can see, it's pretty shiny now. So